Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Amirazi Fashion YouTube channel. So today we are making this beautiful off-shoulder front style basket dress with puff sleeve. And guys, don't forget to click the subscribe button under my video to subscribe now. You can also share my video with your friends. Give my video a thumbs up so that more people can get to see this video and learn from it. Please guys, don't forget to also comment. So you can also watch our other videos so that you can also get to learn some of the styles that we have made already. So please watch this video to the end because you are going to learn how to make this dress on your own. So I'll see you at the end of the video.
Welcome back. So this is our material that we are using to make our off-shoulder front tie basket waistline with puff sleeve. So this is the material that we are using to make it now. So we'll start with our measurement now. So what I'm doing now is that we'll start with the measurement, taking it from the tape. So I'm taking out from the tape with 5 to get our length, and the length that we are having there is 19. So that is the 19 that I'm marking. So you just continue to mark your length. So that is the length that I'm having there now. So is the neck now that I'm marking with 7 because you have to tie it, that is to gather it. So that is why it's up to that 7 so that you have enough space to drag it. So now is the armhole that I'm bringing it down. The armhole is 1.5 because it's up shoulder. So that is the armhole now that I'm slanting out there, the armhole of our top. So the neck measurement now, that is the bust, is what I want to measure there now. So the bust is 38. So adding your sewing allowance, we are adding 1.5. So that is the 1.5 that I'm still chalking. So to get our length also, remember it's up shoulder, so we'll take away from our tape rule. Remember it's 5, so that is the length, that is the half length. So the half length is 16, so that is the half length there. So we'll now mark the waist. The waist is 30, so you mark 30, that is 7.5. After that, you now add your sewing allowance. So my sewing allowance that I'm adding is 1.5 also. So I'm marking it 7.5 throughout. That is the waist. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and please watch my video to the end and comment. Show it to your friends so that they too can learn from this style that you are watching also. So that is the downside to get our length. So after that, you connect. So I'm connecting from my bust to my waistline, from my waistline to the length of our top there that we are making, that is the upper side of it. So from the bust is what I'm connecting out there to end it under your waistline, that is the half length. So from that half length now is where we now get our basket waistline. So that is what I'm pointing out for you to see. So what I'm adding there, that is to subtract, is 3. So from there is what I will mark, that is to give it that line, that shape. So that is it, that is what I'm doing there now. So I want to mark it again for you to know what I'm doing there. That is the under the half length. So I'm taking it up again because the one that I said earlier is 16. So I'm marking it with 15 to take it up so that the shape will comes out very well. That is what I'm doing there now. So now is the rolling line that I'm marking out there now to get our basket waistline. It's up shoulder that we have puff sleeve. Remember that. So that's what I'm doing, and it will have a tie front on it. That's why we also mark that our neck 7 to get that allowance of dragging it to get that shape. So that is the shape now that we are cutting down at the downside of it. So we have cut it, and it's the front side that we are making first, that is cutting. So can you see what I'm doing there now? So I'm cutting the front side of this our basket waistline with up shoulder, is up shoulder that we are making. So that is the armhole side, and the neck is a straight neck, so I didn't cut it. So I want it to have that straight line neck. So that is the back side now. So we have done with the front, so I'm using the front to lay at the back side and cut. So that is what I'm doing there now. So can you see what I'm doing there? So for us to get our zipper allowance, that's what I'm doing there, adding 1.5 inch on our zipper allowance. Our zipper allowance is 1.5, so I'm using my tape rule to mark it and use the chalk to mark it out and to roll it out also. So can you see what I'm doing there now? So I'm marking out throughout the length to get it and rolling it out also. So watch this video, please watch it to the end and make a comment. Subscribe to my channel, please. So this is the back side of it now. So we are done with that. So what I will do now, I'm just raising it up for us to mark the back side. So I'm marking 4 on it. Remember, the front side is 7, while this back side is 4. So that is the back side, because after dragging that 7 at the front side, it will correspond to the back side, which is 4. So the 4 is the neck of the back. Don't forget that, and don't be confused, because we are using the front to the back after dragging it. So you will come back to that 4 just for that 3 inch that we added to get our neck, so that we can get that shape we want, that neckline that we want. So that is the armhole side also that we are cutting out. So we are done with that. So what I will do just for me now, to open it and to bring the neck down little, I'm marking just 1. So that is the armhole side. I'm still marking from that 4 that we have on our neck. So can you see what I'm doing? I'm pointing it out for you to see that that is the 4. So this is the zipper allowance, and that is what I'm doing, opening it for us to go and stitch. So because we are done with the front side of it, so let me open it for you now. Can you see how it is now? That is the basket, the waist line of it, the shape. So we're done with that now. So what I want to do now is the one that we used and complete our basket waist dress. So the length now that we are using is 19. Remember, the half length that we use for the front is also 19. So the weight now that I'm using is 13. So I want to measure it for you to see what I'm doing. So that is the waistline that we are using is 13, and the gathers, to complete it with the gathers, is 2 yards that I'm using. So I'm measuring it for you to see. So now we have gathered it, because I've gone to the machine to stitch it. So I'm dragging it now for you to see that this is the gather, and this is how you will do your own if you are doing your own. Please, can you see what I've done now? So the next thing now, just for us now to go and attach it on the main top, and our dress will be ready. So this is the rope that I've cut, and I will go to the machine and stitch, so that we'll use it to gather the front thighs neck that we are making. Is 1.5 that I've cut there. So I will just take it to the machine and go and stitch, and the length that we are using there is 1 yard, that is 36 is what I will do. So we'll now use it to go and gather it at the front, that is the tie front. So this is the tie front now that we have done. I've sewed it out. So what I will do now, just for us now to fix it with our safety pin. So I will use the safety pin to fix it, and we start with the front side, the one side of it, because it's a 2-side rope that will appear at the front. So can you see what I've done now? On the center side, I notch it to get a hole there. So from that hole is where we now pass it out, so that we can be able to tie it at the front. So can you see what I'm doing there now? So I'm just explaining everything for you to understand this tie, is so that you can do it on your own and wear it on your own. So what I'm doing now, starting from the edge of the other side, that is from the armhole side where it will start. So by the time you finish, you drag it out from that notching side that I've notched at the middle side or the front. So can you see what I've done there now? So you can see how it is now that I'm dragging it out now. So to get it at that middle side, so that the rope will fall out at the middle side. So can you see it now? So the other side now is what I want to do now, to also drag it so that the rope now will also appear. See, can you see it now? So it has appeared the way I'm saying it now. So we're done with the front. So this is the other side now that I will also gather it out, that is to fix our rope there so that it will appear at the front side of it, so that the rope now will appear at the two sides of the middle. So please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and watch my previous video, because I've done something like this before, and I've also done some other styles so that you can learn some other style that we have done on this our channel. Please watch my video to the end. So the rope is out, the two sides is out at the middle side. So this is it now. So now is the sleeve that we want to cut out now, and the sleeve has a bob that is puff at the middle. That is this two side, the up side and the down side of it. So that is the length that I'm marking now. The length that I'm using here now is 11. It's 11 that I'm marking there now. So I will cut it out now for us now to go and fold it on the machine, that is to stitch it the two sides and face our rope. What I'm using there now is rope, it's not elastic. So the way elastic work, so also how the rope work out too. So we are using rope on this side now, not elastic. So now we have done with it, I've stitched it. So just for us now to fix the rope with our safety pin, and after fixing it, you can see that it will be ready now. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, please. Love you guys. Continue to watch my video to the end and make a comment, share it to your friends so that they too can learn from this style that we are making. Remember, it's a basket waistline that we are making with puff sleeve, and it's up shoulder that we are making it out. So that is the sleeve now, and it's the two side sleeve, front up and down side of it now. So after that, just for you to attach it, can you see it now? That is that come out the way we have said. So we're gonna attach it on the body. So this is it. So watch.
So guys, we have fixed our sleeve on our dress. You can see that our dress is very beautiful. Don't forget, this dress is an off shoulder tie front basket dress with puff sleeve. Very beautiful. It has a basket on the waistline. So guys, you can watch this video again and again so that you can get to understand it more and learn from it. Don't forget to click the subscribe button under my video to subscribe now. You can share this video with your friends. Tell your friends to like our video. Tell them to also subscribe. Please make this channel to grow, and we are going to also upload more interesting, trendy video for you to learn from it. Thank you so much for watching.